Hello children, good morning. I am your Hataswi teacher from St. Thomas School. Today we are going to learn our SS subject. I know our unit number 9 is remaining, but our unit test is coming. So from today we are going to do the revision of unit number 1. The name of our unit is Sources of History. First topic is Tadpatras and Bhojpatras. We can know about the past through various sources. Okay, we can know about the various sources from of a past. The Tadpatra and Bhojpatra manuscripts written mostly in Pandu script and are some of them. So dear children, these you can underline the Tadpatra and Bhojpatra manuscript written mostly in Pandu script. Okay? Then Bhojpatras are made from the skin of a tree named Bhoj. This also you can underline. Bhojpatras are made from the skin of a tree named Bhoj. Although most of the Pandu manuscripts have been destroyed by insects, some are still preserved in temples, virahas, libraries and government museums. Means although the Pandu script were destroyed by the insects, then also some of the Pandu scripts we can see in temples, virahas, then in libraries and in government museums. Using these sources, we get a lot of information about kings, administration and public life in ancient time. Means through this script we can know about the kings, administrations and public life in ancient times. Then our next topic is recorded in stone inscription. In ancient times, many incidents like achievements of king, writing of orders and treaties with other states were carved on stones or on metal plates. You can underline this. In ancient times, the main incidents like achievements of kings, writing of orders and treaties with other states were carved on stones or metal plates. Means to show the people or the main incidents like the achievement of the kings, means the king of that time what he have achieved, then how was the relation of this king with other kings or other state of the king. These were carved on stones or on metal plates. These metal plates and stones writing known as inscription. You can also underline this. These metal plates and stones writing known as inscription exist even today and are preserved in archives such as the National Archives of Delhi. At National Archives of Delhi, you can know or all the things are available at National Archives of Delhi. Then our next topic is vessels, ornaments and tools. During excavations, utensils, stone tools and ancient ornaments are found which help us to know the history of ancient time. Means during the excavation, utensils, stone tools and ancient ornaments were found which help us to know about our history of ancient times. Based on picture 1.4, gather information on similar objects found from an excavation site near your residence. You can find some information of same or as same as this from this picture, which was found or which was excavated or which were found at the excavated site near your residence. Just as archaeologists do, we too can know the history of ancient times from old coins, stone inscriptions, painting and metal plates. Means, as the historians do, we can also know about our history of ancient times from the gold coins, then stone inscriptions, paintings and metal plates. We now know that there are various sources from which we can get authentic historical information. Let us collect the sources from which we can gather the history of town or a village. So, here we have completed our unit 1. I hope you all are learning at home and you are preparing for unit test. Thank you.